Hey everyone, in this video we're going to explore view navigation in Revit. We'll cover zooming, panning and orbiting in 3D. Zooming changes the magnification of the view, panning recenters the view and orbiting changes your vantage point in 3D. Let's dive in. The easiest way to zoom in is by using the wheel on your mouse. Roll the wheel up to zoom in and roll it down to zoom out. Pay attention to where your mouse pointer is because it controls which part of the model stays visible on the screen. For example, if you want to focus on this window, place your mouse there and roll the wheel. The same goes for zooming out. Once you've zoomed in on an area, you can recenter the screen by holding the wheel button down and dragging in any direction. This is panning. You can fine-tune the zoom and pan as needed. These actions will become intuitive as you use them more. To quickly fit the model to your screen, double-click the mouse wheel. A quick double-click will zoom the model to fit the available screen. On the other hand, you can zoom the model to fit the screen by simply pressing Z and enter. If you prefer using menus, right-click and you'll see options like zoom to fit, zoom out and zoom in region. Let's click on the zoom in region. This option lets you draw a rectangle to fit that area to the screen. You can also go to the previous zooms by clicking here or next zooms by clicking here to navigate through your view history. Another place to find these commands is on the navigation bar on the side of the screen. Here you'll find zoom in region, zoom out 2 times, zoom to fit and previous zoom. There's also zoom all to fit, which fits all open windows to their screens. To see this, let's open another view. I'll double click the level 1 floor plan in the project browser. Now we have 2 tabs, level 1 and our original 3D view. To see them side by side, go to the view tab and click tile views. Both views need adjustment, but instead of doing it manually by panning as described before, use zoom all to fit from the navigation bar. It adjusts all open views to fit their screen. Now let's talk about 3D orbiting, which only works in 3D views. If you want to spin the model around freely, hold the wheel button and shift key down. Then drag your mouse in any direction you like to orbit around the model. You can also use the view cube for orbiting. Click and drag the circular disc at the bottom of the cube to rotate the model around axis. If we talk about the cube, clicking and dragging anywhere on it lets you orbit freely, just like the shift and the wheel method. The view cube can also quickly orient you to preset views like front, right and top. To see this, click on the front face of the cube. Now, clicking the arrows on the side would let you change the view accordingly. If you want to keep a specific part of the model centered while orbiting, select that part first. For example, click on this window to highlight it. Then hold shift and drag to orbit around that window. This keeps the selected item in focus. Practice these navigation techniques to get comfortable with moving around your 3D model. Understanding the difference between navigating in 2D and 3D views is crucial. The more you practice, the easier it will be to make edits and modifications. In the upcoming videos, we'll dive deeper into how to use Revit and cover everything in detail. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any updates. Thanks for watching and see you next time.